Which of the following lines are perpendicular to the line 4x minus 2y plus 9 is equal to 0? Well, to start off, we need to find out what is the slope of this line anyway. So we've got 4x minus 2y plus 9 is equal to 0. Let's move the y over. So it's going to be adding y, and we're going to add y on the other side. So what you're left with is 2y is equal to 4x plus 9. Divide this by 2. Divide this by 2. We know that y is equal to 2x plus 9 over 2. That means that our slope is 2, and if we want a perpendicular slope, we're going to have to look for negative 1/2. That's what we're looking for. So let's start with the first one. We've got 6x plus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0. Since this is a positive y, I'd like to keep it as a positive, so I'm going to move everything else over. So I'm going to subtract 6x, we're going to add 1. So we're going to subtract 6x, we're going to add 1. So what you have is 3y is equal to negative 6x plus 1. Now you're going to divide this by 3, divide this by 3, so y is equal to negative 2 plus, or 2x plus 1/3. Now this is not perpendicular. It is negative, but it's still a 2. It's not 1/2. So this is wrong. Let's take a look at 2. We've got x plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. The y is positive. Let's keep it that way. So let's move everything else over. You're going to subtract that x, and you're going to add that 12. And you're going to do the same on the other side. So what you're left with is 2y is equal to negative x plus 12. Divide this by 2, divide all of this by 2, and y is equal to negative x over 2 plus 6. This is equivalent to a slope of negative 1/2, so this is perpendicular. Let's take a look at 3. We've got 5x plus 10y is equal to 0. So keep the y positive. Let's move the 5x over. So subtract 5x. We're going to subtract 5x. So you got 10y is equal to negative 5x. We're going to divide this by 10. We're going to divide this by 10. Y is equal to, well, this can be reduced right here. This reduces down to 1 over 2x. So this one also is perpendicular to that original line. So 2 and 3 are correct.